labyrinth's statue. In the valleys of Kashmir, nestled among the snow-covered mountains, there lay an ancient and mysterious village called Rohangiri. It was said that this village was untouched by the passage of time, where everything held a strange tranquility and hidden secrets. On the outskirts of the village stood a massive labyrinth, known as the Labyrinth of Souls. No one dared to enter it, as the villagers believed that whoever ventured inside never returned. One day, a brave young man named Aryan arrived in the village. He had spent his life seeking adventure, and now he was determined to uncover the secrets of the labyrinth. The villagers warned him several times, but Aryan was resolute in his decision to enter the labyrinth and solve its mystery. With courage in his heart, Aryan stepped into the labyrinth. Inside, the scene was incredibly confusing and strange. Every wall was adorned with peculiar carvings etched in various forms. At every turn, it seemed as if the walls were shifting on their own, making the labyrinth even more complex. But Aryan did not give up. He kept moving forward, studying the strange carvings, trying to find his way. Hours passed, and Aryan began to feel lost. Just then, he came across a beautiful statue. It was a statue of a divine woman, her eyes closed, her face radiating peace and serenity. The sight of the statue brought an unusual calm to Aryan's heart. He approached the statue and gently touched its eyes. As he did so, the statue's eyes suddenly opened, and a brilliant light spread throughout the labyrinth. With that light, the entire map of the labyrinth unfolded before Aryan. He realized that this labyrinth was not a simple path, but a test. The path represented the journey of his soul, where at every turn, his desires, fears, and beliefs were being tested. Aryan now understood that the true path wasn't a physical direction, but one within his soul. He closed his eyes and looked inward. Gradually, he heard a mysterious voice. The secret of the labyrinth lies in the peace of the soul, which can only be found by looking within. As soon as Aryan grasped this truth, a divine light spread within his soul. He emerged from the labyrinth, but he was no longer the same. He had become a calm, deep, and wise individual who had discovered the greatest secret of life. The real journey is not outward, but inward. The villagers of Rohangiri were astonished when they saw Aryan emerge from the labyrinth. He was the first person to ever return. Aryan explained to the villagers that the real labyrinth lies in the entanglements within their minds, and whoever understands this can navigate through every complex turn of life with ease. Aryan's discovery transformed the lives of everyone in the village. From that day on, no one feared the labyrinth, as they had learned that the true mystery lay in the depths of their own souls.